this is our delegate assembly, which is more county-wide,
This would,
isn't it?
no,
For our region, our Contra Costa Alameda.
this is still for, it would be for Contra Costa County. We have 2 extra seats that are appointments elections at large by all the county school board members. So for instance, if we wanted to put Lynn Denler's name in as a candidate, she would fill out a candidate form, and then all of the school districts in Contra Costa County that are members of CSBA would have her application, and they would vote on her to be one of the 2, or consider her for one of the 2 appointed or 2 elected seats.
And that's for region, the Contra Costa County. Does that mean that the Walnut Creek and Lafayette board members
Yes.
are vacant seats now, will become vacant? So we're nominating for those 2 seats, correct?
Correct. They're for the county, they represent the county at large, even though they're from those school districts. Art Clark is stepping off the Walnut Creek Elementary School Board, and Teresa Geringer has just been elected to the 2013 CSBA nominating committee. So I'm sure that her name will come forward as a potential candidate from Lafayette Elementary School District.
And normally these are the ones, the names come back and we vote on those.
Right.
As I recall.
We will see the names
We'll
in
see that all
January.
the people nominated. So this is really,
We don't have to nominate, or we
No.
can nominate.
So don't panic.
We're not panicking. I trust.
There was a form to fill out with it, believe me. So are there any I'm calling for nominations. If anybody would like to try to put their name forward in more of the county level for Contra Costa to fill those 2 seats that Mrs. Mayo has described. Would anybody like to be nominated? You can actually volunteer yourself. Would I? No. But I thank you for the opportunity. Not at this time. I don't want to be greedy and do too many things. But CSBA, it's a good deal. But we do end up with 2 representatives, and as I said, the 2 that I see outgoing are Walnut Creek and Lafayette. So we don't have to have someone. We've entertained candidates in my 2 years from plenty of districts and don't necessarily have one ourselves. I don't know if you've seen in our 2 years here. Yeah. Okay, so we have no nominations, I'm hearing. We'll move on because 11:03. This is an information item. Revising job descriptions for child attendant 1 and 2 and increasing salary for positions. So because it's an information item, is this Julie Braun Martin presenting or someone else? The information, or I'm not sure. I see your name.